Yeah, so it's a sticky membrane. It's another one of the underlayments that we use. It's actually part of Shelby County code, but Shelby County only requires it in valleys like this. But at Restoration Roofing, we actually take this a step further. Anywhere your roof slopes meet a vertical wall, so you might have brick or siding there, we're gonna put this along with the step flashing that you have. Any chimneys that you may have, we'll wrap it around the chimney before we actually reflash that. Any pipes or penetrations that are sticking through your roof, like existing fans or any type of vent, and also around any skylights you may have. It's kind of an asphalt material on the top, but on the back side, it actually gets very sticky. So when this is applied to your roof decking, the sunlight will hit it, or it'll just get hot, and it will actually start to adhere to the deck itself. Let me heat it up a little bit. And then put it on the water.
Oh, look at that.
No leaking.